Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am excited to share a beautiful healthy drink recipe with orange and aloe vera juice. I will take a Collin glass and pour 15 milliliters of grenadine syrup. Now I will swirl the glass. I am making a famous Aloe Rise Mocktail. It's time to fill the glass with ice. You can check the description box for a detailed recipe. I will pour 30 milliliters of lime mix, 30 milliliters of sugar syrup, 60 milliliters of orange juice, and 60 milliliters of aloe vera juice. You are watching a healthy drink recipe with aloe vera juice. Now I will mix all the ingredients and pour over the ice. Aloe vera juice contains antioxidants and reduces heart attack risks. So enjoy aloe vera juice every day. Please don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful healthy recipes like this. Now I will stir gently to create a beautiful red hue on the bottom. Now I will garnish this beautiful Aloe Rise Mocktail with a fresh orange slice. Healthy Aloe Rise cocktail is ready. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to subscribe for exciting recipes like this.